Before you install the car seat, make sure that you're parked on a flat surface so that way you can get an accurate installation. Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with infant, toddler, youth, and in this video we're going to show you how to install the Baby Jogger City Go 2 base using the LATCH system. Now remember, before you install the car seat, you always want to check your vehicle and car seat manual so that way you know how your car seat works and what adjustments you need to make for your specific vehicle. Let's jump right into it. Now, there are two rules we need to follow to make sure the installation is complete. And the first rule we're going to follow is the leveling device. There is a bubble indicator on both sides of the car seat, and there's two ranges. If the child is under 20 pounds, the bubble has to be within the shorter blue range. When the child is over 20 pounds, it's allowed to be within the longer blue range. And that just allows the child to sit more upright because they will have head and neck support at that point. So the reason why you want to do the angle first is when you tighten the seatbelt, the position of the bubble may change and then you're going to have to redo it again. So what you can do is you can apply weight to the front of the base here and see where the bubble is going to end up. Because we're setting this up for a newborn, we have to make sure the bubble stays within the smaller blue range. Right on the front of the car seat, there is a little trigger. If you squeeze that button, the different recline positions are accessible. And we just need to adjust it until we get the bubble in the right range for newborn. Now that we have the angle in the right position, we can move on to our second rule, which is to secure the car seat to the vehicle and ensure that it's tight enough. Because we're doing the latch system, we need to find the lower anchors in our vehicle. And in my specific vehicle, there are these little gray buttons with a picture of a car seat. And right below the button, there's an opening in the fabric. And right inside the opening, you're going to find the metal latch bar. If you're not sure where the latches are in your vehicle, if you can't find them, be sure to check your vehicle manual. They'll tell you exactly where they are in your car or if your car even has them. Next, we need to grab the latch connectors from the base. So the connectors already come with the car seat. There is a gray tab right here that says pull. If you pull, the lock-off device is going to open. And right underneath it, there is a little flag that has a picture of a car seat. And that compartment also needs to be opened. And stored inside the compartment are the latch connectors. We're going to take these out, close the compartment. We want to make sure that one connector is going to be coming out from each side of the base. You also want to make sure that the strap is not twisted or tangled. Everything needs to be flat and free. The connector also needs to be right side up. So it should look like a whale or staple head. Now that we've got our connectors out, make sure the strap is going under the blue tab here, and we can line it up and connect it to our car. You're going to hear a clicking sound to let you know the connector has attached. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Once both sides are connected, make sure the base is right up against the back of the car seat. And over here on this side is our tightening strap. When you pull on the tightening strap, it's going to tighten up both sides of the latch connectors. Now, because of the lock-off device that the Baby Jogger has, you don't need to tighten the latch up too much. Because when you close the lock-off on top of the strap, it's going to tension lock it for you. The way to know this is snug enough is with one hand. You're going to grab it from either side of the base. Try and grab it as close to the blue area as possible. That's our belt path. The base should not be able to slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back. Don't worry about movement on the back of the car seat. That part's going to wobble and shake. That's where crash force is released if there's ever an accident. So now that our two rules are being accomplished, the car seat base tight enough, angle in the right position, the installation is complete. When you're ready to remove the base from your vehicle, there's a red button sticking out from each of the latch connectors. If you push the button like you would a seatbelt, it's going to come undone. And now you can take the base out. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.